Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into 7 proven tips to naturally boost your immune system. As a doctor, I can't stress enough how important it is to prioritize your health and well-being, and a strong immune system is crucial for that. Throughout this video, we'll explore simple yet effective lifestyle changes you can incorporate into your daily routine to support your body's natural defenses. Let's get started. Your immune system is your body's natural defense system. It's a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to protect you from harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. When working properly, your immune system identifies and attacks these invaders, preventing them from causing illness. However, if your immune system is weakened, you become more susceptible to infections and diseases. That's why it's essential to take proactive steps to strengthen your immune system naturally. By adopting healthy habits, you can give your body the best chance of fighting off infections and keeping you healthy. One of the most effective ways to support your immune system is through a balanced and nutritious diet. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, your body needs a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to function optimally. Focus on incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that support immune cell function and protect against damage from harmful free radicals. For example, vitamin C, found in citrus fruits, berries, and bell peppers, is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections. Remember, a healthy diet is a key pillar of a strong immune system. In addition to a healthy diet, regular exercise plays a vital role in strengthening your immune system. When you engage in physical activity, your heart rate and blood flow increase, which helps circulate immune cells throughout your body more efficiently. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could include brisk walking, jogging, cycling, swimming, or any activity that gets your heart pumping. Exercise has also been shown to reduce stress hormones, which can suppress immune function. By incorporating regular physical activity into your routine, you can support both your physical and mental well-being, leading to a more robust immune response. Adequate sleep is crucial for a healthy immune system. When you sleep, your body produces cytokines, which are proteins that help regulate immune responses. Chronic sleep deprivation can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to repair and regenerate. Establish a regular sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool to promote optimal sleep. Remember, prioritizing sleep is like giving your immune system a much-needed break to recharge and stay strong. Chapter 5. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health, including a strong immune system. Water helps transport nutrients throughout the body, including those vital for immune function. It also helps flush out toxins and waste products that can compromise immune health. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day. You can also stay hydrated with other fluids like herbal teas and broths. Listen to your body and drink fluids when you feel thirsty. Remember, staying properly hydrated is a simple yet effective way to support your immune system's optimal performance. Chapter 6. Chronic stress can take a toll on your immune system. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that can suppress immune function over time. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. These activities can help reduce cortisol levels and promote relaxation, which benefits your overall well-being, including your immune health. Remember, managing stress is not about eliminating it completely. It's about finding healthy coping mechanisms that work for you and incorporating them into your daily life. Chapter 7. Regular health checkups and vaccinations are crucial for maintaining a strong immune system. Regular checkups allow your doctor to monitor your overall health and detect any potential issues early on. Vaccinations are one of the most effective ways to protect yourself and others from serious diseases. Vaccines work by introducing a weakened or inactive form of a virus or bacteria into your body, triggering an immune response and preparing your body to fight off the actual infection if you ever encounter it. Stay up to date on recommended vaccinations and discuss any concerns you may have with your doctor. Remember, prevention is key, and regular checkups and vaccinations are essential components of a proactive approach to immune health. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and advice. Remember, a strong immune system is your best defense against illness, and by incorporating these natural strategies into your lifestyle, you can empower your body to stay healthy. It's important to note that these tips are for general informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. If you have any specific health concerns or questions, it's essential to consult with a qualified healthcare professional. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.